Hello everyone. Welcome to the class. Today we are discuss about the Hindu newspaper, 17 January 2025. आज का हमारा पहला टॉपिक है इसरो एक्सक्यूज सैटेलाइट डॉकिंग प्लेसेस इंडिया इन एलाइट स्पेस क्लब. ओके, सो आप पहले भी पढ़ चुके हैं कि इसरो ने एक स्पेसएक्स मिशन लॉन्च किया था, है ना. तो उसके बारे में है आज कि वो सक्सेसफुल हो चुका है. ओके, so now SpaceX mission gained control of 2 satellites as a single object. Okay, space agency to follow up maneuver with undocking and power transfer check in coming days. India joined the ranks of the US, रसिया, चाइना टू अचीव द हिस्टोरिक फीट. ओके, इंडिया जो है वो 4th कंट्री है पूरे वर्ल्ड में. ओके, आफ्टर यूएस, रसिया एंड चाइना के बाद making the 4th countries after the US, Russia, China to achieve the historic feat. Okay, so now on track, January 7, the space agency had initially scheduled the docking for this day, but postponed it to January 9. January 9 में ISRO observed a more than desired drift between the 2 satellites and postponed the docking again. January 12, the satellites were moved within a meter. Within 3 meters of each other in a trial attempt and then returned to a safe distance. देखो, 2 satellites हैं इस मिशन में, SDX-01 and SDX-02. ओके, दोनों सैटेलाइट SDX-01 यानी कि चेंजर नाम दिया है एंड SDX-02 का टारगेट नाम है. ओके, दोनों सैटेलाइट चेंजर एंड टारगेट इस मिशन में है. एंड January 16 and inter-satellite distance was reduced to 3 meters from 15 meters and both satellites were successfully. Okay, demonstration of this technology is vital for futuristic missions such as a manned craft to the moon and building and operating an Indian space station. Okay, so now मैंने आपको बताया था कि इसरो ये जो हमारा मिशन था, तो इसमें मतलब कि स्पेसएक्स मिशन जो था इसरो के द्वारा जो लॉन्च किया गया था, तो वो वाला एक बार मैं इसकी क्लास ले चुकी हूँ इस टॉपिक के ऊपर. तो ये कैसे काम करेगा, वहाँ पे क्या करेगा, एक बार उस क्लास को जरूर देख लेना. ओके, on January 8, 2025, hours before it was scheduled to carry out the SpaceX docking experiment, and ISRO launched the SpaceX mission on December 30 from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota. You know, Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota से ही Chandrayaan 3 लॉन्च हुआ था. Okay, and a few minutes after lift off, the 2 satellite target and changer weighing about 220 kilogram each were launched into a 475 kilogram circular orbit at intended. So the Indian Space Research Organization, I mean ISRO, successfully executed its space docking experiment, I mean SpaceX. Okay, जो हमारे मिशन की जो इस टाइम पे बात हो रही है, and docking to satellite changer and target, ये आपको मैंने बताया, and in orbit. This achievement makes India only the 4th nation globally after the US, Russia and China to master this critical technology. So the SpaceX mission is an important project by ISRO which is designed to develop demonstration and technology needed for spacecraft, range bus and docking and undocking using 2 small satellites. SpaceX docking operation marks a key moment for ISRO as India becomes the 4th country to achieve this complex technology milestone. Launched on December 30, 2024 aboard the PSLV C60, okay, from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, and the mission utilized 2 small spacecraft, SDX-01 changer and SDX-02 target, weighing 220 kilogram each. ओके यहाँ पे एक क्वेश्चन आता है माइंड में कि मतलब सतीश धवन स्पेस सेंटर इन श्रीहरिकोटा, बट किस जगह, किस स्टेट में, श्रीहरिकोटा। ओके ये मेरे को कमेंट में बताना। And now this capability positions India to advance in areas such as satellite servicing, interplanetary exploration, and the development of space stations like the Bharatiya Antariksh Station. Okay, and the docking sequences unfolded flawlessly, with the spacecraft maneuvering from a 15-meter approach point to a 3-meter hold position, and precision docking was achieved through a series of automated steps, including spacecraft capture, retraction and rigidization, and post docking the integrated system operate as a unified satellite and successfully transferring power between two components. And the mission also aimed to validate undocking operations and additional power transfer protocols in the coming days. Post mission, the spacecraft will separate carry out individual payloads operation, and including high resolution imaging and resources monitoring and vegetation studies. These advancements are critical for missions like lunar exploration, sample return, and deep space exploration. These achievements heralds a new era for ISRO and setting the stage for even more ambitious endeavors in the coming years and solidifying its position on the global space map. Now, today second topic is Sikhs die in Jallikattu and other bull-related sports in Tamil Nadu. Okay, Jallikattu एक फेस्टिवल लाइक वहाँ पे तमिलनाडु में मनाते हैं. ओके तो वहाँ पे जल्लीकट्टू जो है तो बहुत डेंजर सा एक गेम हम इसको कह सकते हैं. तो इसमें इस बार जब ये जनवरी में मनाया जाता है, तो इस बार जब ये मनाया गया तो 6 लोग वहाँ पे एक्सपायर हो चुके हैं. इससे ये बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्की होता है और इसी वजह से गवर्नमेंट ने इसको बैन भी कर दिया था. ओके सो 6 पर्सन वर किल्ड इन जल्लीकट्टू एंड other bull sport such as Iruthatam and Manjuvirattu in Tamil Nadu on Thursday. ठीक है ये ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया है ऑर्गेनाइज किया जाता है अलंगनालूरू इन मदुराई डिस्ट्रिक्ट. ओके एक होता है थिरुमलाई इन करूरू डिस्ट्रिक्ट एंड मंगादेवनपट्टी इन पोडुकोट्टी डिस्ट्रिक्ट में. 2 persons were killed at Man Juviratu in Sivanga district and 1 person is Iruthatam in Salem district. Okay so ये क्या होता है? Jallikattu is a traditional sport that is popular in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. ओके बहुत ज़्यादा रियली बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर है. ये बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्की गेम होता है और पॉपुलर भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. तमिलनाडु के स्टेट में इसको मनाया जाता है ये वाला खेल. और यूपीएससी के मेन पर्सपेक्टिव से भी बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट, मतलब इसमें आई थिंक 2019 में क्वेश्चन आया है मेंस के लिए. Okay and the sport involves realizing a wild bull into a crowd of people and the participants attempt to grab the bull's hump and ride it for as long as possible or attempt to bring it under control. It is celebrated in the month of January during the Tamil harvest festival Pongal. Okay and a constitution bench of the Supreme Court reserved for the judgment a batch of petitions seeking to strike down a Tamil Nadu law which protects Jallikattu by claiming that the bull taming sport is a cultural heritage of the state and is protected under Article 29 Part 1 of the Constitution. Okay while these practices may be deeply rooted in the culture and traditions of certain communities, they are often controversial and have been criticized by animal welfare advocates. Its concern number one is The primary question involves was whether Jallikattu should be granted constitutional protection as a collective cultural right under Article 29 Part 1, and Article 29 Part 1 is a fundamental right guaranteed under Part 3rd of the Constitution to protect the educational and cultural rights of citizens. The court examined if the laws perpetuate cruelty to animals, or were actually a means to ensure the survival and well-being of the native breed of bulls. Okay, and the 5-judge bench heard parties on whether the new Jallikattu laws were relatable to Article 48 of the Constitution, and which asked the state to endeavor to organize agriculture and animal husbandry on modern and scientific lines. The Constitution bench also looked into whether Jallikattu and bullock cart races laws of Karnataka and Maharashtra would actually serve the objective of prevention or cruelty to animals under the Prevention of Cruelty to Animal Act 1960. अब देखो यहाँ पे जो मतलब इसको बैन किया गया था, इसको प्रोहिबिट किया गया था, ठीक है. तो इसमें इन 2011 में द सेंटर एडेड बल्स टू द लिस्ट ऑफ एनिमल हुज ट्रेनिंग एंड एग्जिबिशन इज prohibited. And the Supreme Court banned Jallikattu through a judgment in May 2014, okay, May 2014, in the Animal Welfare Board of India, with a Nagaraja case on the grounds of cruelty to animals. In 2018, the Supreme Court referred the Jallikattu case to the Constitution bench, where it is pending now. And the bone of Constitution is the Prevention of Cruelty to Animal Tamil Nadu Amendment Act of 2017 and the Prevention of Cruelty to Animal Conduct of Jallikattu Rules of 2017, okay, which had reopened the gates for the conduct of the popular bull taming sport in the name of culture and tradition, despite a 2014 ban by the Supreme Court. So next topic is costly HPV vaccine need to be part of national immunization program. Okay, so HPV, okay, it's HPV means human papilloma virus, okay, not HMPV, okay, HMPV नहीं है, ये HPV है. ओके, तो ये दिस वायरस लाइक ए कैंसर, ओके, ये एक कैंसर को जनरेट कर रहा है. ओके, तो वैक्सीन दैट हेल्प्स, इसमें एक वैक्सीन आई है, वो हेल्प कर रही है. उस वैक्सीन को मतलब एक वैक्सीन इसके लिए बनी है. सो वैक्सीन दैट हेल्प, द HPV वैक्सीन वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन इंडिया इन 2008 एंड सम स्टेट्स सच एज पंजाब, सिक्किम, ओके, एंड इंट्रोड्यूस द वैक्सीन इनटू देयर इम्यूनाइजेशन प्रोग्राम्स. वायरस, ये जो when given before exposure to the virus is recommended for children 12 to 13 years old and people at high risk from HPV. So common side effects included mild fever or tenderness or swelling and redness and the injection site. So cervical cancer accounted for 6.29% of the cancer among women in India. Okay, so देखते हैं HPV. What is HPV virus? सर्विकल कैंसर, इसके द्वारा एक कैंसर हो रहा है, उसका नेम है सर्विकल कैंसर. सो व्हाट इज सर्विकल कैंसर? सर्विकल कैंसर इज ए टाइप ऑफ कैंसर दैट डेवलप व्हेन abnormal cells grow in the lining of the cervix, okay, and it's caused by a persistent infection with the human papilloma virus, HMPV. So its symptoms usually vaginal bleeding and pain during sex and vaginal discharge and leg pain and swelling. इसके symptoms हैं. And treatment surgery, chemotherapy and radiation therapy. Okay, radiation therapy, chemotherapy, and treatment surgery. Prevention: getting vaccinated against HPV and getting regular cervical screening. Risk factors: being sexually active at a young age, having multiple sexual partners, and being HIV positive. Survival depends on the type of स्टेज ऑफ द कैंसर. ओके, ये एवरी कैंसर में ये कंडीशन होती है कि सर्वाइवल अगर कर सकते तो वो कैंसर की स्टेज पर डिपेंड करता है, एज वेल एज योर जनरल हेल्थ. ओके, तुम्हारी हेल्थ कैसी है. एंड सर्वाइवल कैंसर कैन बी cured if diagnosed early and treated promptly, है ना. Follow up care: follow up tests are usually done every 3 to 4 months for the first 2 years, and checkups are usually done every 6 months after that. January is cervical cancer awareness month, and doctors are urging women to get screened for this deadly disease. Cervical cancer develops in the cervix or the wall of the cervix. Okay, cervical cancer develops in the cervix and or the wall of the cervix. Human papilloma virus is responsible for 99.7% of cervical cancers worldwide and is among the leading causes of cancer in Indian women. Okay, the HPV vaccine is the most effective way to prevent it, as it stimulates the immune system to produce antibodies that neutralize the virus. And in India, HPV vaccines are only available under prescription by private practitioners, even though the National Technical Advisory Group for Immunization NTAGI has recommended that the HPV vaccine be included the national immunization program. Okay, and a senior health minister official noted that the ministry was working on the inclusion, and on the inclusion the NTAGI recommends a one-time catch-up for girls aged 9 to 14, followed by routine introduced at 9 years. And vaccine that helps: the HPV vaccine was introduced in India 2008, but its high cost has limited its use. Some states like Punjab and Sikkim have introduced the vaccine into their immunization programs, and the vaccine is most effective when given before exposure to the virus, and is recommended for children aged 12 to 13 years old and people at high risk HPV virus. Okay, so the vaccine is safe and well tolerated and can be used to people who are immunocompromised or HIV infected. Common side effects include mild fever, tenderness and swelling, redness at the injection site. It does not treat existing HPV infections or disease. However, it can prevent more than 90% of cancer associated with the HPV. Now, it protects against genital warts and most cases of cervical cancer. It protects against cancer of the vagina, vulva, penis, and anus caused by HPV. The HPV vaccine also protects against mouth, throat, head, and neck cancer caused by the virus. India has authorized several HPV vaccines, including Gardasil. A Gardavalent vaccine that protects against HPV 6, 11, 16, and 18. And next, Corvarix vaccine, जो कि एक bivalent vaccine है, and एक Corvavac, an Indian developed vaccine that target high risk HPV types. 3 vaccine, okay, 1, 2, and 3. Now, in India, cancer of the cervix uteri is the third most common cancer with an incident rate of the 18.3%. Okay, and the second leading causes of death with a mortality rate of 9.1% as per Globocan 2020. The age standardized incidence rate per 1 lakh population was 18, while the 5-year prevalence rate across all ages was 42.82 per 1 lakh population as per the National Cancer Register Program. Cancer of the breast and cervix uteri was the most common cancer among female, and cervical cancer accounted for 6 to 29% of the cancer among in women in Indian. And Papumpere district in the state of Arunachal Pradesh in India had the highest incident rate of cervical cancer, 27.7% in India. Okay, so next topic is Bezos' Blue Origin launches rocket on maiden test flight. Okay, ये फ्लोरिडा से एक लॉन्च किया गया है ग्लेन रॉकेट. ओके, ब्लास्टेड ऑफ फ्रॉम फ्लोरिडा आफ्टर सम इयर्स ऑफ द डेवलपमेंट फाउंडेड बाय द जेफ बेजोस. So now the mission aimed to keep the satellite within the second stage while orbiting Earth for 6 hours before placing it in a safe condition to minimize space debris. So New Glenn is a heavy lift launch vehicle under development by the American company Blue Origin. The rocket is designed to have a partially reusable and to stay designed with a diameter of 7 meter 23 feet, and the first stage is powered by the 7 BE4 engines, and the second stage rely on 2 BE3U engines, all designed and built in house by Blue Origin. It launches from Cape Canaveral Launch Complex 36 and with future mission planned from Vandenberg Space Launch Complex 9. Now, Blue Origin's New Glenn rockets has blasted off from Florida on its mission to space and inaugural step into Earth orbit for Jeff Bezos' space company. And 30 stories tall, standing at 98 meters with a reusable first stage. New Glenn launched about 2 a.m. 7 GMT वाला. Okay, and from Blue Origins launched from Blue Origins Leon chapped at the Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in its second lift-off attempt this week. On Thursday, the company cited no issues before the launch, and the mission, a decade-long multi-billion-dollar project, included a first-stage booster landing in Atlantic Ocean. Okay, included a first-stage landing in Atlantic Ocean, while the rocket's second stage continues towards orbit. And until now, Blue Origin had used its rockets only for suborbital space storage. Development of New Glenn began prior to 2013 and was officially announced in 2016, and the rocket is named in honor of NASA astronaut John Glenn. Okay, the rocket is named in honor of NASA astronaut John Glenn, the first American orbit Earth. The inaugural vehicle was unveiled on the launch pad in February 2024. Its maiden flight took place in 16 January 2025, carrying a prototype Blue Ring spacecraft, marking the first launch from LC-36. Okay, first launch from LC-36 since NROL-23 in 2005. This mission served as the first of several demonstration launches required to be certified for use by the National Security Space Launch Program. Okay, so I hope आपको ये सारे टॉपिक क्लियर हो चुके होंगे. Okay, एक सेकेंड. सो अब हम कल नेक्स्ट क्लास में मिलते हैं. तब तक के लिए बाय. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. और हाँ, अगर आपको टेलीग्राम इसके PDF चाहिए तो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में जाना, वहाँ पे टेलीग्राम का लिंक है और उसको ज्वाइन करके आप टेलीग्राम से PDF ले सकते हैं. ओके, सो कल मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में. तब तक के लिए बाय. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.